Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how things are going with my ground station with 19-inch screen. I have just made this wall here, and I also made an arrangement for the battery connection. As you can see, I'm using a XT60 connector here, and made two posts besides it. So where I can connect all the power for my components. I'm gonna use a 3S battery, and all of these components can use 3S battery around 12 volts, so that will be okay. Yeah, the power inverter is for the screen, of course, the TV, and it also has a USB output, so the HDMI converter can be powered through that. It needs 5 volt. So, quite frankly, I think it's moving along well, and yeah, I'm gonna show the rest in a moment. Okay, we're moving on. Right now, I have installed the screen. I also have installed the cables for all the outputs on top here, and routed down on the side there down to the bay here. So this looks nice so far, and in between here's a 5.8 gigahertz video transmitter, which I'm going to connect to the video out, so I can use my goggles wisely at the same time that I receive signals for the 1.3 gigahertz and all the other stuff. I mounted everything with Velcro, so I can move them around if I want to. Looks like the some of the wires for the antennas will be too short for some of the components, but will be no problem. I just move them around and figure out how to do it the best way. Here's the back of the screen. I have just made this arrangement for the HDMI connection with this angled adapter and the HDMI cable. I also, because the power connector will needs a lot of room behind there, I had to cut it off and just solder the wires directly to the connector in here. That made it much more flat in the back here. Also, I am going to use one of the inputs for the SCART plug here, the X1 plug. So I just dismantled the plug and took out two of the connectors, and just to make it a wire for that. So in the end, I will have two connections to the TV, and that will be sufficient for my use. Yeah, and of course on the side here, here's a USB connector, so which I will use, so I can play back photo pictures on the screen when I need to.